Discover 20 genius garage tools set to transform how you work in 2026. From smart measuring devices and precision cutting tools to space-saving organizers and time-saving power upgrades, these innovations boost accuracy, safety, and efficiency. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, these tools help you work faster, smarter, and with better results in any garage setup. SCANGRIP Tower 5 Connect. The SCANGRIP Tower 5 Connect is a powerful professional tripod work light designed for maximum flexibility on the job site. It delivers up to 5,000 lumens from 2 fully adjustable floodlights with a wide 110-degree beam. The integrated extendable tripod reaches 2 meters and folds quickly for transport. Connect technology supports most 18-volt/20-volt tool batteries with optional mains power for non-stop lighting. True Tension Wheel Monkey. The True Tension Wheel Monkey is a compact portable roller stand that lets you rotate a motorcycle's front or rear wheel while the bike stays stationary. Designed for quick maintenance, it features heavy-duty smooth rollers, a stable non-slip base, and supports bikes up to 226 kilograms. Lightweight and easy to store, it's ideal for chain lubrication, cleaning, and inspections, especially where bulky paddock or center stands aren't practical. Car Bench UL 300. The Car Bench UL 300 is a professional hydraulic frame machine for precise and efficient vehicle chassis straightening. Built from heavy-duty high-alloy steel, it supports up to 3,000 kilograms with an adjustable hydraulic lifting platform, 110 to 1,700 millimeters. Its 360-degree pulling tower delivers 60 kilo Newton force for severe damage, while patented clamps ensure quick, secure vehicle positioning. Optional 2D/3D measuring systems provide factory-accurate alignment. The integrated electric control and advanced hydraulic pump allow safe, remote operation, making the UL 300 ideal for collision repair shops. InterVac Garage Vacuum Cleaner. The InterVac Garage Vacuum Cleaner is a compact wall-mounted cleaning system built for garages, workshops, and vehicles. It delivers powerful suction to handle sawdust, dirt, and car debris while saving valuable floor space. A long stretch hose and multiple detailing tools make it easy to clean every corner. With HEPA-style filtration, durable construction, integrated storage, and quick installation, it offers efficient, organized, and high-performance cleaning in one smart solution. TRAC Tire Jack. The TRAC Tire Jack is a heavy-duty leverage-based tool that makes mounting and removing heavy wheels safer and easier. Its patented design lets you roll the tire into position instead of lifting, reducing back strain and injury risk. Built from welded steel with a steel base roller, it offers smooth alignment on hub studs. Compact yet strong, it supports up to 2 tons and works in shops, garages, or off-road situations. Gladiator GearTrack Pack. The Gladiator GearTrack Pack is a smart starter wall organization system that lifts clutter off the floor and keeps garages tidy. Heavy-duty GearTrack channels support up to 75 pounds per linear foot, while steel hooks snap in and reposition easily. Built to handle heat and humidity, it installs quickly on studs, drywall, or masonry. The expandable design works with Gladiator accessories and includes channels, assorted hooks, hardware, and long-term warranties. Perfect for tools, ladders, sports gear, cords, and seasonal storage needs. Laser 836 Zero magnetic foldable parts. Tray. The Laser 8360 magnetic foldable parts. Tray is a compact, collapsible silicone organizer that keeps small metal parts safe and visible during work. Fold-down walls make it pocket-friendly, while 5 rare earth magnets help secure fixings. A silicone-covered base protects surfaces, and an ABS frame maintains shape. Lightweight and versatile, it suits automotive, bike, electrical, and DIY tasks, performing best on horizontal surfaces where stability matters. Magnet strength varies by load, so heavier items may reduce vertical holding reliability in practice. VEVOR Retractable Extension. Cord Reel. The VEVOR Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a heavy-duty, wall or ceiling-mounted solution for workshops and garages, featuring an automatic spring-loaded retraction system for smooth, tangle-free cord management. Its impact-resistant polypropylene casing and durable SJ towel cord withstand water, oil, acids, and extreme temperatures. The reel includes a 180-degree swivel mount, built-in circuit breaker, and lighted triple outlets for safety and convenience. Available in 50-foot, 65-foot, and 80-foot models, it supports up to 15 amps, making it versatile and reliable for tough workspaces. SCA Parts Washer, 12 litres. The SCA 12L Parts Washer is a compact benchtop cleaning unit perfect for small workshops and home garages. Featuring a recirculating pump with a flexible spout, it efficiently cleans automotive, marine, and bicycle parts. Built from durable steel with a powder-coated finish, it includes a self-latching lid, waterproof switch, and removable work shelf. With a 12-litre tank and 2.7 to 3.3 litres per minute pump flow, it safely handles water-based degreasers and solvents, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Ryco Flexible Funnel RST300. The Ryco Flexible Funnel RST300 is a versatile, moldable funnel with an inner aluminum core that allows shaping for hard-to-reach areas. Perfect for engine oil, transmission fluid, differential oil, and household liquids, it ensures clean, mess-free draining. Durable, reusable, and easy to clean, its flexible design fits awkward spaces and stores compactly in a toolbox or vehicle. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it simplifies fluid handling in cars, four-wheel drives, boats, and lawn equipment. Dimensions: 372mm by 170mm, 0.254 kilograms. Laser 7686 Coolant System Flusher. The Laser 7686 Coolant System Flusher is a compact handheld tool designed to power flush vehicle cooling systems using a combination of compressed air and water. By delivering a strong pulsed flushing action, it effectively removes scale, corrosion debris, and contaminated coolant. Featuring 5 integrated pipe connections for wide compatibility, a trigger with locking clip for continuous flow, and durable POM construction, is ideal for deep cleaning clogged systems after repairs like head gasket replacement. Kentool Stow and Go 4-Way Lug Wrench. The Kentool Stow and Go 4-Way. Lug wrench PN35636 is a heavy-duty, foldable tyre tool that combines compact storage with full-size performance. Its push-button folding arms lock securely in place and slide to adjust leverage, making stubborn lug nuts easier to handle. Built from high-strength alloy steel, it includes 17mm, 19mm and 21mm sockets, plus a 1/2-inch drive adapter for added versatility. STKR Concepts 00135 Side Garage Parking Sensor. The STKR Concepts 00135 Side Garage Parking Sensor is an adjustable ultrasonic guidance system designed to protect side mirrors and vehicle body panels in tight garages. It uses a traffic light style LED display with green, yellow and red alerts, plus an audible warning to signal distance. The sensor features customizable stop settings, easy no-drill installation on garage tracks, and flexible power options via batteries or USB-C for reliable daily use. Wurth Brake Fluid Tester. The Wurth Brake Fluid Tester is a compact electronic pen-style device designed to quickly measure brake fluid quality by detecting water content. Featuring a 5 LED traffic light system, it gives instant readings from green, 0% water, to red, over 4%, urgent change needed. Compatible with .E3, .4 and .5.1 fluids, it's durable, acid-resistant and portable with a protective cap and illuminated probes. TÜV certified, it's powered by AAA batteries, making brake maintenance fast, safe and precise. Slime Garage Air Inflation Station. The Slime Garage. Air Inflation Station is a compact, wall-mounted 120-volt electric inflator that delivers fast, convenient air for tyres, sports gear and inflatables. Available in standard and Pro Power models, it features a space-saving design, versatile adapters and TPMS-safe operation. The Pro Power version offers a 25-foot hose, digital LED gauge, faster inflation, auto shut-off and 6 preset modes, while the standard model provides a reliable, easy-read analog gauge and 20-foot hose for everyday garage use. Perfect for any home setup. ARES 70039. Oxygen Sensor Socket, the ARES 70039. Oxygen Sensor Socket is a high-quality, offset 6-point socket designed for safe and easy removal of oxygen O2 sensors in tight spaces. Its angled body provides extra leverage, while the slotted wire gate allows the wiring harness to remain attached, preventing damage. The 7/8" 22mm hex fits most sensors, and the 3/8" drive works with standard ratchets. Made from durable chrome molybdenum steel with a rust-resistant finish, it meets ANSI/ASME standards and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. PitProtect. The PitProtect is a lightweight concertina-style safety cover designed for vehicle inspection pits in workshops, garages and rail depots. Its expandable lattice design allows quick access to specific pit sections while preventing falls. Fully adjustable in length and width, it fits uneven pits perfectly. Made from durable aluminum, it supports up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, and sits flush with the floor to eliminate trip hazards. Modular sections allow easy installation, jack compatibility, and compliance with safety standards like BS 8630:2019 and OSHA. Tools Steel Car Ramps. The AIM Tools. Steel car ramps are heavy-duty, height-adjustable ramps featuring an integrated hydraulic jack, providing a safer alternative to traditional jacks and stands. Made from durable high alloy steel with a red powder-coated finish, they support up to 5 tons. Adjustable from 270mm to 390mm. They include safety bolts and an overload valve for secure lifting. With a 245mm wide drive-up surface, these ramps are perfect for oil changes, exhaust work, and undercarriage maintenance in home or professional garages. ToolPRO Magnetic Pickup Tool. The ToolPRO Magnetic Pickup Tool is a flexible retrieval wand designed to reach tight and hard-to-access spaces. Its strong magnetic tip easily picks up screws, bolts, nails, and other small metal objects. The long, moldable rod allows access behind engines, cabinets, or confined areas, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. Built with durable, rust-resistant materials, this versatile tool is perfect for automotive, workshop, garage, and household use, making metal item retrieval effortless and efficient. ARES 33000. 13. 15-inch spanner wrench extender. The ARES 3301 315 inch spanner wrench extender is a high-quality leverage tool crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, designed to safely increase torque on stuck or over-tightened fasteners. Adding 15 inches of reach, it fits most standard wrenches, including hex keys, box end, open end, and adjustable wrenches. Its ergonomic double injection rubber grip ensures comfort and slip resistance, while a 1/2 inch drive hole allows attachment of a breaker bar for extra force. Lightweight, durable, and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a safer alternative to improvised cheater bars.